Hi there, it's Denise, denisesanger.com. I had a speaking engagement this morning and a couple questions came up, the same questions that I seem to get all the time, and it's about losing weight after hysterectomy or menopause. Um, I am down. I am down 17 pounds. It's been a battle, but I'm not willing at this stage in my life to kill myself. And I am more focused on how I feel overall versus those little numbers on the scale. And that's what I want to talk to you about today too. When you go through menopause and hysterectomy, it literally is hell on the body for a woman. I don't care what anybody says. Yes, there's those few out there that just breeze through it and don't have any issues and they never gain weight. And, I say to them, good for you. But most women that I talk to have had the same struggles that I have. So I'm going to give you 3 things to do this week that'll help you move forward in. If weight loss is truly something that you want to focus on, this will help you move forward. First things first, water. Okay? You need to be drinking half your body weight in ounces of water every single day. So if you weigh 150 pounds, you need to be drinking 75 ounces of water every single day, starting from when you wake up. So for me to make sure I do it, when I wake up in the morning, I drink most of this right here, which is 30 ounces. This is my second refill, and it's right now 12:30. So I am on track to have all my water done for the day. But the best thing you can do to start your day on track is to drink at least 20 ounces first thing in the morning before anything. Secondly, if you are truly concerned about those numbers on the scale, I want you to weigh yourself every single morning. I don't care if you're butt naked. I don't care if you're fully clothed, whatever it is, every morning after you go to the restroom, before you drink or eat anything, step on that scale. Subconsciously, that helps you also stay on track during the day and making better decisions because you know you're going to get on the scale tomorrow and you want to see that scale change. For me, I'm happy that it's not changing. It stays completely the same every single day. And third, get up and get moving. Okay, yes, we're busy. Yes, Denise, I'm so busy. I can't do this. You can go to the gym every day. You're a fitness instructor. I get it. We're all busy. I used to be super busy like that too. But you can make time to exercise 10 minutes. And if you can do 3 10-minute bouts of exercise, that's 30 minutes that you've just gotten into your day. So if you can get to the gym, wonderful. My kids are grown. My kids are out of the house. It's just my husband and I and all my rescue animals all over the place. So I'm literally at the gym every day, but I'm also a fitness instructor. I get that you may be working or, taking care of somebody. As we get to this point in our lives, oftentimes we're caretakers for others. So get up 3 times and walk around your house for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is not that long. I don't care, dance around the house, just get up and get moving. Those 3 things are what you need to do. I'm also going to put a link in below this video of the program that I follow. I do have a tendency to bounce back and forth between 2B and the program that I'm going to put in here lately that I've been following, and it seems to be doing better for me than 2B, but I also am making smart choices as I go through my day. Okay, so if once in a while I will have a Diet Coke. Most of the time I'm drinking water. But I take the Diet Coke and I treat it like a treat. It's a one-off type of thing. Or once in a while I might go and have chips when I'm sitting on the porch with my husband. I might have a beer. I'm going to live my life. I'm not going to deprive myself of anything because as soon as I tell myself I can't have something, all I want is whatever it is I just told myself that I can't have. So if having a cookie will make you feel better, have that flipping cookie. It's the other 99% of the decisions you make. Make sure they're good. And like I said, I do follow either 2B or I'm drawing a blank on what the name of it is. I'm going to put the link in there below for you. So you can take a look at that one too. But whatever it is, Just remember how amazing you are, and today make better decisions than you did yesterday. Don't get so focused on the numbers of your weight or the size of your clothes, whatever it is. What you're going to focus on is making better choices today than you did yesterday. I want you to feel amazing. That's the most important thing, is to feel amazing. I'll chat with you soon. Message me, Denise@denisesanger.com or denisesanger@gmail.com, or visit my site, denisesanger.com, or howtostayfitover50.com. I'll chat with you soon. Bye, y'all.